Hey there, it's Rachel Evans here from The Workshop Whisperer, where we help auto repair shop owners just like you to achieve business success. I'm here to tell you about an amazing challenge that we are going to be running for 5 days where you get to work with me for free. So I've been helping auto repair shop owners all around Australia and New Zealand, along with my team, for the last 8 years to help them end this cycle of feast and famine that you experience, just like many other shop owners. So what we'll be doing over the course of this 5 days is ensuring that we dig down deep into your financials to find the reasons why you feel like money is disappearing inside your business. Now, there's that old analogy, the leaky bucket, and your business probably has one. In fact, even the great businesses still have leaky buckets that can be plugged. So if you experience things like not having enough money at the end of the month in order to pay all of your bills on time, if you wait for your EFTPOS machine to settle each day so that you can work out which bills you're going to pay, if you have loans, business loans, overdraft, credit cards, or debt to the tax office because you're on a payment plan, and if you feel like you just work really hard for almost no reward, then this challenge is a must for you. It's called the Find 50K in 5 Days Challenge. So we're going to help you in live Q&As and through the homework that you're going to do. We're going to help you find $50,000 that would otherwise be lost to you because of the way money is flowing through your business at the moment. So there's no gimmicks about this. You are going to work with me for free for Q&A. We're going to set you some homework each day. You're going to have a short exercise to do, and we're going to go through with a fine-tooth comb. We're going to help you with your financial literacy. We're going to ensure that you're able to implement a smooth process so that you never lose money in your business again. And if you were to, you would certainly know where to look to go and find it. So I said there's no gimmicks. This is completely free to work with me for this 5 days for the 50K in 5 day challenge. But there is one catch, and that is you have to show up and do the work. So you have to look in the group that we're going to have for you, a special private Facebook group just for our 50K in 5 day challenge participants. You have to look there early in the morning for the post. You need to check your email inbox for your homework, and you need to come for 1 hour so that you can be live with me on each of the challenge days. I'm going to answer all your questions there. We're going to make sure that you get the absolute most from this free live opportunity. If you don't come up and do the work and you don't show up, then we'll just assume that it's actually not the right time for you, and we'll opt you out of the challenge, and maybe there'll be another time down the track that's a better time. But this challenge is for you if you know that there is money coming through your door, but it is slipping through your hands and it's making things difficult when it comes to paying bills, paying the team, and having money left over for you at the end of the day. So make sure you register now by clicking the button, and we will get you all ready to go to start with me on Monday, and we'll help you find 50K in 5 days. See you there.